Disclaimer: finding words that kids can understand is harder than it looks when it comes to chemistry. Thorium has just recently come up in the news as a replacement for other energies, so it has only began research recently. So there isn't very much on the topic, as it took me almost 3 hours to find the majority of these facts. So enjoy! Thorium's physical properties. Thorium is silvery grayish in color with little to no smell. It is only affected under extreme heat and doesn't dissolve in water. It also doesn't have much effect with air. Microscopically, the structure looks like this. Strange looking, isn't it? Why thorium is important to us. Thorium is very easy to get. It is found in mines almost all over the globe. And with the amount we have, we could power almost all of the world. Thorium is also very safe to use, and even the waste it produces can be used with toxic waste to make more energy. And when burning thorium, there is no air pollution. Health concerns. Most of us are exposed to thorium due to the large amounts of thorium that there is. Sometimes it is in our food, water, and even in the air. Since thorium isn't very radioactive, it doesn't matter all that much, but when bad corporations don't dispose of it properly, it could affect those nearby, getting a lot more of the dosage than most of us get. The small dust-like particles go through the air easily, and they ingest it more. But even that amount isn't much, or even enough to hurt a person unless it is long exposure. People working with thorium in mines can be problematic, since it is radioactive and can lead to some cancers. Thorium safety. Working with thorium for a long time can be problematic. To be safe, use protective clothing so it doesn't get absorbed through the skin. Wear protective masks to prevent inhalation. Even the 99.98% passes through the body and is non-lethal. Thorium technology and chemistry terms. Using this substance, if done correctly, has no downside, and with almost zero air pollution, thorium reactors could be used to replace all non-green energy on Earth. Even the waste, if used correctly, can be used for power. Thorium turns to waste after a while, and thorium waste combined with other radioactive materials such as plutonium and uranium wastes could be used infinitely. To get the actual thorium metal, there's a huge process that involves the original thorium oxide, THO2, and then using a lot of other different chemicals and chemical formulas that in the end make up different slags, rock-like materials, and thorium ore. And during my research, to make thorium ore, it needs to be heated with zinc fluoride, ZnF2, at 650 degrees Celsius. Then, when used for power, it requires an endothermic reaction. Endothermic means an absorption of heat, which in this case makes power.